Alright, so. What did you get?
I got a...
What's the steam? What are these buns here?
These are bio buns or bio buns. I'm not sure how you say them. They said that they're pork and beef.
Looks good.
And
here's mine. This is what was it? Greek food, and it was called gazlame.
I forgot what you said.
It's Greek food.
Like a Greek quesadilla.
Gazlame.
Like.
Has feta and spinach in it.
Yep.
Should be good.
So
what do you got?
This is salmon truffle roll. I saw someone else order it, and I thought
good.
it looked pretty cool. I don't know what it'll taste like.
And so what's that?
This is the snow crab roll.
That is?
And
what's
this is like it's a vegan sweet potato or yam sushi roll. I thought was weird. So
here's where we are.
Why not?
This is Assembly Food Hall.
We're not vegan, but we're gonna try some vegan.
Assembly Food Hall. This is the coolest place ever. All these places to eat. What do you think, 40 or something?
Yeah, probably.
Tons of them.
It is the coolest.
Right off the strip.
So fun.
Very cool.
Anything you could ever want to eat.
Very good. So what are we doing here?
We're this is kind of our first off diet meal in months.
It is. And we brought the dog, and then we're going to Robert's Western World to listen to some music for a little bit. But we're really here for...
We're going to see Tom Bukovac. Am I saying that right? Or
Yep.
Bukovac?
And Guthrie Track at 3rd and Lindsay.
It's going to be a pretty awesome guitar show.
So we'll post many videos